With the upcoming JPY news tomorrow, we might see both of these GBPJPY and dollar yen might get highly volatile. As you can see, dollar yen from this support, there is a bounce, and slowly the market is moving back to the upside. If we look at GBPJPY, we can see that this instrument also moving in the same manner. So let's see on the lower time frame where you can find trading opportunity in both of these instruments. Starting with dollar yen, looking at first of all highest time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. Now looking at the monthly, you can see from bigger picture perspective, dollar yen is bull market. We can see there was a bounce followed by deeper pullback, followed by, we can see every month the market was forming series of higher high and higher low, which is bigger picture long term bullish market. After previous monthly green candle this month, we saw that there was a very strong rejection. Now this rejection has brought this price to this support level where there is a monthly doji, and from this support we can see the market has got a bounce. As this support, we can see that in the past acted here as a very important level of resistance, and also acted here as a resistance, which is starting support here. And from that support, as the market has got a bounce expecting dollar yen to move up further, and I think that this month after the monthly close or before the monthly close, we might see a potential retest of this level. If we look at the weekly chart to see how the price is evolving, we can see previous week this candle has dropped to the support level, which is starting also resistance here. So resistance here, support, resistance here, support here, expecting for the price to move up again to retest this level here on dollar yen. Dropping down to the daily chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that from the daily, there is a daily narrow bullish candle, followed by today also we have seen that the market has made a move to the upside. This is the daily candle where there is a long wick at the top. And what we can expect on dollar yen for the price to bounce back up to this resistance line. As we see, the market has tested this support, had a bounce, we might see that dollar yen is going back up to break any of this swing high. So we can expect on dollar yen for the price to bounce back up to the resistance line from the daily. So monthly, weekly, and daily aligning for potential bounce on dollar yen. From the lower time frame, from 4 hour perspective, we can see the market has formed an inverted head and shoulder with a liquidity grab with this doji formation on dollar yen, expecting for the price to move and trend in that direction to this resistance line where there is a high liquidity. So we'll be waiting to see how dollar yen is forming. I will be especially waiting for another liquidity candle formation, especially breaking any of this support locally can give suitable entry opportunities. So any liquidity candle formation, we will be looking for going long on dollar yen with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you are not sure about what is liquidity candle, you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com where you can find more information. Now looking at GBP JPY, but we can see that from the monthly again on GJ, this is also a long-term bullish market. This month so far we have seen significant drop here, a sudden drop to this support level on the monthly on GJ, expecting it to drop further to create a new lower low. We have seen significant drop. Currently it's on a pullback again on the lower time frame. Dropping down to the weekly, we can see the market has broken this support here. And if we look at the past, we can see there is a long week rejection here, followed by this previous week complete breakdown of that support. But the candle close above the support means that we might see now an upside bias potentially from the weekly. Dropping down to the daily, we can see after the daily doji as expected in our previous weekly forex forecast, probably you guys have seen that. We can see there is a doji followed by a bounce here on the daily. And with this bounce, what I think that after deeper pullback, expecting for GBPJPY to remain bullish as well, to this level at least, or breaking any of this swing high, as there is liquidity here. Dropping down to the lower time frame, like the GBPJP dollar yen, pardon me, we can see that GBPJPY as well form an inverted head and shoulder, and we have seen a complete breakout with that inverted head and shoulder. And I will be waiting for a retest of this neckline of the previous resistance turning support. Any liquidity candle formation on GBPJPY, we will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure that you smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also join the free Telegram channel link below this video for more content, educational ideas like this one. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.